Okay, let's come over and have a look at the European indices and where am I? FTSE. So UK FTSE up off the late October low. I've got this 5 up as a contracting diagonal, and ABC down into yesterday's low. That hit a 50% retrace, and the A to C relationship was the 1.0. I've got another 5 up, and I think this is an A, B. It wouldn't surprise me to see a trip down to 7088. If we see that and it takes out the top, you can follow it up with a long trade if you're so inclined. I'm personally not mad about trading the FTSE. The subwaves are absolutely diabolical to track, so I'm personally not going to take that, but that's the setup if you want it. German DAX, I'm looking for this push up to 11,863 in this diagonal. I think we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the A, B. I'm looking for a C of this 5 up in the German DAX to the 11,863. See that and hold a pullback, then I'd be interested in taking the trade to the long side in the DAX.